TGIF, happy Friday, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. But, real quickly, before we dive into it, I do just want to wish everyone a happy and safe long holiday weekend if you are celebrating the Labor Day holiday weekend and Labor Day that is coming up on Monday. But before we get into the celebrating, I do have a few jobs to share with you. We have a Crate and Barrel hiring someone to be kind of like a supervisor of customer service. These are not really going to require any kind of college degree, any of the jobs that I'm sharing. So I always say if you can move up into leadership, you don't have to have a college degree or anything. That is a great opportunity. We have a company hiring to process payments. We have data entry, and I even threw, if you have some skills, a little fun one with Sephora in at the end. So, as always, links, timestamps, all additional information can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, first up, we have Crate and Barrel, the retail store, hiring, but they are hiring someone to work from home. They have 2,500 reviews from past and current employees at overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a supervisor for their customer care, customer service team. This is remote for the United States. And basically, they're looking for somebody to do what a supervisor would do, lead those people that directly report to you in a positive manner, doing like customer experience, meeting and exceeding the customer service level goals. So you're making sure that those people that are reporting to you are basically doing their job, doing what they're supposed to do. So you're going to communicate and manage the metrics and expectations for quality monitoring, call metrics, and assessments on a consistent basis. So you're going to be reviewing their work, making sure that they're doing it in a quality manner, and of course, training them, retraining them, having those conversations with them if they're not, teaching them how to do a better job. So you're just providing this feedback and coaching to develop them into better customer service reps. So you're working closely with other management teams, providing feedback and identifying opportunities for improvement. Now, again, no college degree is needed for this, just a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has 3 years of customer service experience. They prefer some kind of retail or hospitality customer service experience, but you do have to have at least 1 year of people management. So if you've ever been a team lead somewhere or something like that, now pay is going to range anywhere from $23 an hour up to $25.87 an hour. Next up, we have Ziff Davis hiring. Ziff Davis kind of runs and manages different like shopping websites, including one that should be well known called Retail Me Not. They have 150 reviews from past and current employees, and overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an operations coordinator for some of their websites. This is remote for the United States. And one thing they're kind of looking for, this is going to be a temporary role that starts in October and goes through December 5th. They are paying $25 an hour, but they are looking for somebody to help make sure that the shopping websites for the holiday season, BlackFriday.com and Retail Me Not, are kept up to date and are not going down. There's not having any issues. So they're really looking for somebody to do live testing of these websites, making sure all the links are working. So if they have products linked that are on sale on their website, that those links go to Target, Walmart, Amazon, wherever the product is, and you can add it to your cart and buy it, that everything is working. They're wanting to make sure that the images of the products on their website are correct. The product and promotion information itself is correct. There's no spelling errors on the website. So they're really looking for somebody just to watch these websites and make sure they're functioning correctly. So you're executing paid placements of advertisement within a degree of accuracy. You're delivering those placements for the third parties onto the website, and you're just making sure that everything is productive, working all the things. You're working with different teams. No college degree is needed for this one. They do want somebody who has 0 to 2 years of like e-commerce, digital marketing, or digital publishing. So you kind of know how to update things on the website quickly when you do find errors. They want somebody who's passionate about deals, saving money, saving consumers money. So you've got to have great communication skills, great problem solving skills, great attention to detail. Now, this next one is going to pay a little bit lower than the $25 an hour, but it does pay weekly. So, if you need something to get going while you're still applying for other jobs, this might be a great opportunity. The company is GRT Financial. They have 47 reviews with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a payment processing associate. Now, again, this is 100% remote. They're just looking for somebody to verify data on payments and the accompanying documents that come with those payments. So you're processing the documents according to a customer's detailed instructions and document review. So a payment slip, maybe it's like a credit card number, something filled out on a payment slip, might be attached to a document that says, charge this $50 a week as a payment plan. I'm not sure how they have it set up, but whatever instructions come on those documents with the payments, you're going to follow those instructions for processing those payments. So you are going to be working with deadlines and requirements for each individual task. It won't be like the same thing over and over. Each individual task may have different instructions. So, of course, other than processing these payments and documents, you're going to just navigate computer systems, assisting customers, locating customer data, and other electronic information in the system. No college degree is needed, just somebody who can think really quickly, overcome problems that they're faced with. They're looking for somebody who has at least 6 months of data entry experience, great attention to detail, great problem solving skills, somebody who can follow directions. Now, this only pays $15 an hour, but they do pay weekly and include benefits like medical, dental, and vision. So, CrewBloom is like a matchmaking service, they say, for sales and support staff. So you can basically think of them of like a kind of like a staffing agency. They take businesses that need a certain kinds of help and match them with the best employees, and they are looking for somebody to do data entry for one of their clients. Now, CrewBloom has 341 reviews from past and current employees. That overall employee satisfaction rating is really high at 4.7 out of 5 stars. And again, they are looking for a data entry specialist. Now, this is full-time remote, and they don't say who their client is, but it is going to be like in some kind of insurance industry. They're looking for somebody to provide administrative support to an underwriting department, specifically entering insurance policy information and documentation into the different insurance company portals on behalf of insurance brokers. So you're entering this data into the portals, communicating with managing partners and brokers about missing documents or submission omissions, things that are missing in the submissions that need to be there, any errors. You're going to have different projects assigned to you from time to time to just help support the paperwork and data entry of that underwriting team. You might even be reviewing policy documents, making sure there's no errors, making sure things are accurate. Now, they are looking for somebody who has prior experience in some kind of a data entry role. You can use different software tools, use different computers. You have great attention to detail, great organizational skills, time management skills, but of course, no college degree is needed for this one. Now, it does look like you're going to have your own computer equipment for this, including a noise canceling USB headset and like a webcam, probably for meetings with your team and things like that. I know that's what we do kind of where I work, but sadly, pay was not listed for this one. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, we have the cosmetic retail giant Sephora hiring. They probably need no introduction. This position is going to be a little bit more advanced position, but they are paying very well. So I thought I would share. Sephora has 12,000 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a support analyst for their support services. Now, it is full-time and it is remote, looks like, for the United States. But this is really going to be in their IT or information support department, information security department. They're looking for somebody to do a tier 2 retail technology support. So you are kind of helping the level 1 help desk and level 3 engineers. But basically, you're providing advanced tech troubleshooting and resolution for retail incidents. So the retail stores, they have inventory systems, they have computer systems where they're checking people out, credit card systems. They have all kind of technology to run that retail store on a day-to-day basis, and you are serving as that escalation point for any issues that come up that are unresolved. So you're monitoring any triaging, any issues. You're doing your SLA maintenance, backlog reduction. And of course, you're managing any urgent escalations from the retail field lenders around the clock, just making sure that you conduct root cause analysis, find out what caused the problem in the first place, and make sure those get taken care of. So basically, IT tech support on the phone. They are looking for somebody, though, that has at least 4 years or more of experience in some kind of support role. Specifically, they would like somebody who does have a retail type experience. So, like those point of sale systems, basically the ring out cash register systems where you ring people up. They're looking for somebody who kind of has hardware troubleshooting, like printers and different things like that. So, you've done a little bit of both software and hardware. Somebody who has experience creating documentation around problems and solutions. Of course, somebody who has advanced skills diagnosing and resolving these complex technical issues. But other than that, you've just got to be proactive, be solutions oriented, be a problem solver with like a mindset of I'm going to work at it until I get it done. But it doesn't say that any kind of college degree is needed. So as long as you have that experience and skills, and pay for this one again fairly high, anywhere from $99,540 a year up to $110,600 a year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.